Hey guys, this is my entry for the TRNQL online challenge on DevPost. It's called CareTracker. Basically, it's an app that lets you view and monitor all the data related to the activities and location of your loved ones. Basically, it is meant to cater the needs of those who are looking to keep a track on their elderly ones or kids so that they can know where they have been all day, night, and in case of an emergency, the data that app holds would provide some useful information. So I'll take you through the app one by one. Once you launch it, you'll get to fill all these various fields that would come next. Here you enter the name of the person whom you are catering this app to. I'll call it Granny. Upload any images like I have this one. Now you will continue. You could ask for the age. Assuming if I had a granny, she would be six. No, she would be 78. Obviously female. Moving on. Blood group would be B. Complications might be a. Basically, complications is like it would be helpful in case of an emergency if a third person is viewing, if using the app to get information about the person of concern. This would provide a very easy and easy way to access information and help the procedure and the treatment in any case required. So granny would have heart and allergies issue. This is where you select the address of the person. Basically, you can tap on the this icon to get your current location once you have activated it only. Since I have not allowed app to use my current notification location, I would just browse anywhere. So yes, I am in India. Tap anywhere, it would take this address. I'm happy with it. Continue. You're required to enter your number. Three numbers, one is required, other two are optional. So in case of an emergency, like if a user presses the SOS button, he'll get notifications to the persons whose number you have entered here. So basically, I'll enter anything. And the email ID. This is important. This would be used to back for the backup mails, which you'll see, as well as the SOS stuff. So I'll enter Granny at abc.com. Yes, you have to allow everything you see. So this is your basic dashboard. This is where everything is. As you can see, we have two tabs in the bottom: stats and locations. Locations basically monitors everything you have been, every place you have been, and it continuously updates and stores, and it even stores your location, which I'll show you in a while. Stats is basically the movements which you do. If, for example, you need to know where you have been, where your child has been all day, or what kind of movements, if you ask him to go out, did he go, or did he just sitting at home or something. So for that you have this. You can even monitor, in future if I see this app growing, then I would add features to monitor your calorie count and steps and such things. So basically, these are your locations. If you're running, it will show. If you start running, it will show running or walking. If you're driving, it will show in a automobile, those kind of things. Basically, in locations, the important thing is it is showing you latitude, longitude, which initially seems meaningless, but as soon as you press any of that, boom, you have a map which shows you your current location. Oh, I'm sorry, which shows you both your current location, which is pointed out by this blue thingy, and the tag, which is saying home, but it means the location at which you tapped. Since I am shooting this video from a single location, you might not able to see different location, but it works. Let me just confirm. So these are the two main things of the app. Apart from that, I have this information tab. Here, all the data that has been filled is provided so that in case of any emergency, a medical person or any concerned authority would come and would just get to see the important information at a go and help you in that situation without any delay, because that's the most important thing in such situations. So if you press this, you get a call icon. If you press email ID, it pops up your email with a predefined email, and that's it. And you can even send it, but I'll show you later. Backup data is the most important thing. Like I said, you can locally back up your data. That is it. Once it's done, and then you click SOS. It is like in case of emergency. You'll see this is a prefabricated mail containing the file's movements and locations. Basically, locations is like all the latitudes and longitudes along with the timestamp, and movements would be your movement like stationary, moving, running along with the timestamp, and you just send it. That's it. Apart from the email, you would in case of SOS you'll also get an as option to send an SMS, which is right in front of you, and that also can be used, but I won't be using that. Closing it. You can also change the informations that you have entered here in the app. Like when the app opens for the first time, you get to fill the informations by clicking edit. Moving on, maybe let's choose a different image if I have one. Okay, continue. Let's make it 88. Continue. Got good. Let's say Granny is getting old. And maybe Granny has shifted her location to London. Yeah, it seems good. Boom. There you go. You can see the updated changes here. Age, complications, etc. Close. The image has been updated. You can see her age. And as you can see, this data is being populated and used again and again, even in the background. The best part about this is it will run in the background. Go there and it just roam around, switch off, go back. You'll always be presented with new data. This is something that's really great. So I thought of about more features, but due to time constraints, I'm not really able to do that. But I hope in future updates, because I'll be uploading it to the App Store, and if I see a good response and if I get good resources, I would definitely be uploading, adding more features, including automatic email and SMS. When you actually, what I planned was like, if you would set a certain range for a person to be in, like if you have a child, you would enter a location and a range like 5 kilometers within that location. If the child steps out of that location, you the app should automatically notify you about that. That is a feature which I would like to add in the future, seeing on the response. So that's it, guys. I hope you like it. Bye.